It's back, guys, and it looks great. I'm well impressed with that. No markings there anymore, it's all nice. The Yamaha logo's still there. Now just to assemble this baby back together and then take it out for a ride and make sure it works alright. So without further ado, let's put this baby back on. Okay, so what you might have just saw there, I had trouble lining that up because the forks obviously can move a bit. There's a little bit of play in them. So just sat on the bike, compressed the brake, and just bounced on the bike to force that that steering shaft to come back. I'm going to torque stuff up, putting them back together. I'll put the link to the service manual in the description, so if you're doing one yourself and you need to know torque settings rather than looking all over the internet for them, there'll be a link to where I got this one from on the description. Let's continue. Brakes alright. Steers good without catching anything. I don't see any cables getting caught around there. That's good. One second. Gears are working then, alright. Wow. The next test is to take it out on the road. So I'll see you guys out on the road then. Alright, so we're out on it. It's actually the next day after I finished putting it back together. I didn't have time to go on it yesterday, so I'm actually on my way to work now. So it's only a short ride, but it only has to be a short ride to quickly just test to see how it feels, and it feels great. Also looks great as well. Actually, I'm dead impressed with how it looks now. Really happy with it. It's bloody windy today as well. Well guys, I hope this video's helped anyone out who's struggling to take the top yoke off, triple clamp off, what you want to call it. I'm going to end the video here. If it has been some help for both stages, give us a like, make sure you subscribe for more content. The next project is to sort out the scratch on the bottom, which I showed in the first video. So yeah, I'll see you next week, lads.